Children for Alice Island often took jobs in farming, newspaper sales, factories, or other low-paying work. School has to wait, survival comes first.
I am scared this dangerous machine doesn't really have any protection for my body. Every day young children like me take a risk that we might get hurt, but I work because I had to help my family.
I have to work on chucking oyster and my hands hurt. Sometimes they bleeding because the shell cut me. I would like to go to school like other kids on my age. Can you help me, please?
We all have difficult life. Maybe I am too young to work, but I need to work to help my family. I'll do whatever it takes, but I work every long hour to make it feel sense.
Many immigrant children worked in odd jobs to make money for their families. Their lives was difficult and sometimes dangerous.
I have to carry such a heavy bag of clothes. First so my mother can wash them. Then I have to deliver them to my neighbor. I'm helping my mom, but I have no time to go to school.
I have to sell a lot of papers every day on the Brooklyn Bridge. It's hard work and the newspapers are very heavy.